Hi, I'm Andrea from Clank, and today I want to show you Axis, our new module. So Axis is a dual function generator with integrated VCA and a crossfader. What is nice about Axis is that in 12 HP it contains all the classical block for amplitude management. The idea behind it is to shape the sound over 3 axes, so in terms of length over the time, its amplitude and the position in the stereo field. So let's take a look to the panel. Axis has been designed for dual mono or stereo operation to complement our oscillator Proteo, which is stereo too. It is composed by 2 identical sections where you have a function generator tied together to a VCA. So the basic operation is to take the output of an oscillator, plug it to the input of Axis, exit from the audio output of Axis and go to a mixer. You will not hear nothing since the VCA is still closed, but you can open it by hand by raising the time of the function generator to its maximum level. You can now use the range of the function generator as a volume. Axis VCA is actually a 24 decibel per octave low-pass gate, so when you are lowering the volume, you are also lowering the harmonic content, and you can use it as a filter. Speaking about the function generator, it's digital, and you can find on the panel a trigger input, a trigger output, a function output, CV control over all the parameters, and the switch to set the function generator in cycling mode, trigger or sustain. By setting the switch on cycle, the function generator will start to open the VCA. Lowering the time will make the cycle faster. Range goes from 20 Hz to 20 seconds. The envelope generator is not a classical attack and decay one. The engine behind it has been made to create a collection of waveforms that gives the best result as an audio envelope. The first section of the shape knob gives some nice virtual simulation plucked sound. Increasing the shape, you will get some more reinforced waveform for lead and bass line, and dance as well. The last section on the knob is taught to simulate the acoustic percussion of a percussive object. Using this section at lower rates can generate complex envelope that could be also suitable for vibrato effect. The more I increase the shape, the more bounce I will have. Another way to open the VCA is to use the VCA input, so you can take whatever voltage you like. In this case I will use direct, and by raising the voltages we'll open the VCA. In this way you will free up the function generator to be used as a LFOs or modulation. Since range knob can also be CV controlled, you can use whatever voltage you like to create some dynamic control over the voice. This will create some nice volume variation and some groovy patterns. Another nice feature of Axis is the crossfader. With the Z fader, you can position the voice around the stereo field. If you are using both the channel, the Z fader will invert the left and right output. This can be also CV controlled for some really nice stereo effect. So, I hope you enjoy it. Ciao!